Hey y'all, so it was time for another wash and retwist. So I figured y'all can just vibe out and watch me do it. Nothing major, nothing too much, but I just needed a good washing. And I put off the retwist enough. So just vibe out. If you need any of the products, check my Amazon store. If not, just comment down below and I will do my best to link everything. Don't hold it against me if I don't, though. And other than that, I'm going to just chill and vibe out to this music. Also, if you want some non-copyrighted music, go ahead and get some of this music from this video, okay? Because it was really a vibe. I'm so proud of myself for finding this. Anyway, like always, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Listen and know what your girlfriend's into. He's a slut, he's a hoe, he's a freak. Got a different girl every day of the week. It's cool, not trying to put a rush on you. I have to let you know that I got a crush on you. Won't you get it? I got a young in the balls. Count your think it cheap. Stuff me one thing I wanted to freak you. Don't say that I'm up with that. And doing things that you attention. Listening to what your girlfriend mentioned. These are free. A different girl every other week. It's cool, trying to put on something. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you. But you still don't pay no attention. Listening to what your girlfriend mentioned. These are free. Got a different girl every other week. It's cool, trying to put on something. I had to let you know that I got a crush on you.
Huh?
Chick, I could be a fantasy. I could tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. But I might let you try it out the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. Tell me how you want it. 3, 2, 1, and I'm on it. Feel good on it. Good shit. You in the honey. I'ma bust it on the pole like honey. Just being honest. Loose, mini man. Can't do it one mini man. Not a side or a wing. I'm the only one in the tank. Spinning his mind in the bank. I like what I see. I was like, you need a boss like me. Ready from the street, so he move low key. Tryna rock that mic like karaoke. I'm the kind of. You guessed it, yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all them other hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? So stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seem my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? Jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass. All access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too